Alright guys, so I want to do a quick video of my everyday carry. I guess knife, light, pencil, and multi-tool. Multi-tool really I just use for work, but yeah, this is my Benchmade Tanto knife. My wife bought me this. It's a pretty nice knife. And yeah, it's my everyday carry. I have an ox pencil, construction pencil, just for writing if I need to. I have an Olight arc, I believe, for my flashlight, and then I got a Gerber. One second here. Gerber center drive, if I remember correctly. Yeah. So this is my everyday carry, guys. Let me know what you think.